Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ahmed, and if you're new here, this is the place where I break down tech stuffs that actually matters to your daily life. Today I've got something that genuinely shocked me when I first found out about it, and I promise you by the end of this video, you're going to want to grab your phone and do exactly what I show you today. So stay with me because this one is important. Here's the thing nobody tells you. Your Android phone right now, the one sitting in your pocket or your hand, has an app on it that is silently watching everything you do. And I don't mean in a vague or theoretical way. I mean it is tracking which apps you open, how long you spend in them, what you search, what you click, and what you're interested in. And all of that information is being used to serve you ads wherever you go on the internet. The creepy part? This app wasn't downloaded by you. It came pre-installed by your phone's manufacturer, hidden away where you would never normally look. There's no icon on your home screen, it doesn't show up in the regular app drawer, and the developers deliberately removed the uninstall button so you can't delete it in the normal way. That app is called Ad Privacy, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to find it and shut it down for good. Now, before we jump in, I also want to show you a second app, Digital Wellbeing. You have probably heard about it. It sounds harmless, even helpful, right? But here's what most people don't realize. Digital Wellbeing runs constantly in the background, analyzing every single app you open and logging how much you spend on your phone. Very few people actually check that dashboard, but every single user pays the price for it through faster battery drain. So, we're going to deal with both of these today. Let's start with finding Ad Privacy. Open your Play Store. Tap on your profile photo in the top right corner right here. Scroll down to Help and Feedback, then tap Search. Type Apps. Select the option that says Delete Apps on your Android device. Then tap Go to Application Settings or something like that. This method works universally across all Android phones, and it's actually better than going through your regular settings because some apps can only be modified through this route. Once you're in, you need to make System Apps visible. Look for the three-dot menu or a filter icon and select Show System Apps. Now, search for Ad Privacy. When you find it and open it, scroll to the bottom and you will notice something interesting. There is no delete button. There is no force stop button either. Those options were deliberately removed. That tells you everything you need to know about why this app exists. In some cases, if it is not installed on your device, then you're in luck. But if it is installed on your device, then here's how we actually stop it. Go to your phone's main settings, tap on Apps, scroll down, and depending on your phone brand, you will see either Special Access or Special Permissions. Open whichever one appears. Scroll down until you find Usage Access or Usage Data Access. In my case, it is called App Usage Data. Tap that, then tap the three-dot menu again and select Show System Apps. Find Ad Privacy in the list and toggle it off. That's it. You have just cut off its ability to watch what you do on your phone. Now, scroll back and find Digital Wellbeing in the same list. If it is turned on, switch it off too. But we're not done yet. Go back to the main Special Access or Special Permissions menu and scroll up to find Change System Settings or Modify System Settings, depending on your device. Open that. Turn on System App Visibility again. Find Digital Wellbeing and toggle it off here as well. Now, while you're in this menu, keep an eye out for something called Application Analytics. If you see it, tap it and turn it off as well. But for my case, both of them are not available. This is another manufacturer-installed app that quietly collects your usage data and sends it directly back to the company that made your phone. Turning it off adds one more layer of privacy protection for you. And that's the full process. 2 apps disabled, your phone data is no longer being harvested in the background, and your battery will thank you for it too. Honestly, this is one of those things that takes less than 5 minutes but makes a real difference. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss what's coming next on this channel. Speaking of which, if you haven't watched my previous video yet, go check it out right now. It's called "This YouTube Setting is Dangerous, Turn It Off." And trust me, it's an eye-opening video as this video today. A lot of people were surprised by that one, so I think you will like it too. The link is right up here. Go watch it, and I'll see you in the next one. Until that day, take care.